What's going on, guys? Just going to give my outlook for EU and just cover a bit of last week. Someone did say about the price action not being the best, and it's not been the cleanest. However, sometimes that's happening. You know, the market sometimes can give you a lot of opportunity, sometimes not too much, sometimes none. But I'm just going to continue trying to follow it from the daily. And you know, from this candle print here, I said, you know, you had the potentials when you get this kind of candle of a reversal when you're hitting your, you know, demand or supply. You just don't know how much it is going to reverse or how far the price action is going to be bullish. However, we did on the 4-hour start to confirm this of this, you know, doji candle, and then if we drop to the 4-hour, we start to make, you know, we gave our market shift, we gave our highs, we gave our lows, break of structure, making the higher lows and higher highs of bullish price action. You just don't know how long it's going to continue, and you're only trying to read the current price. But for myself to start to see this print here, I'm wanting then to start to short and premium off the leg rather than this low down. However, we've only come to here, and on the 4-hour I'd want to come a bit higher than this, something like this, you know, coming up into premium off the leg, a POI that sweeps liquidity, causes a break of structure, this internal low to fail, and say with liquidity on entry. You know, this is a POI I'm favouring to short from once we come into it, then get the time frame start to align again, let the price action develop to be bearish, and then you're going to start to take it down. But we only reacted to this POI in here, and this POI for me didn't do anything too much. There's no sweep of liquidity, it's never caused any breaks of structure, anything prominent. And at this point here, after this market shift, we've got this high, this low, we pull back, make the higher low, and we come up to make the higher high. Of course, you do have the understanding that we need to come back and make the new higher low before making the higher high. However, if you cut back to this price action here, the 4-hour and the 15-minute is bullish. So I'm not really looking to take a 1-minute entry against these two time frames, even with understanding we need to pull back. How much time is this just going to, you know, fire through and wipe out a POI like that? You know, more than it's not going to. So I was just being patient with this kind of price action, and you know, from this POI it does go and take out these lows. However, that's why I have the rules of the POI, that sweep liquidity, do something like break some kind of, you know, good structure. But yeah, if I was going to be taking shorts again, I would have been up in a premium off the leg, but the price action is now confirmed back to being bearish. So this week I'm going to be favouring shorts, and my next higher time frame POI is obviously this daily demand, and then once we reach here, I'm going to need the 4-hour and 15-minute to start to realign again if I'm going to be taking longs. So I'm just going to wait for any opportunities that come this week, any short opportunities from valid POIs. We've now taken this low, caused a break of structure, so we may pull back into something that swept liquidity and caused that break of structure. Of course, we have this here, and I've seen on the daily, this POI here. Not saying this is going to happen, but this is, you know, the sort of stuff I like to look for. So this has swept all this liquidity here. This is a POI that swept liquidity, and if this pushes down a bit further, causes this low to fail, this break of structure, so then we may start to pull into here before pushing lower, taking this low and deeper into this demand level. So that's when I'd look, you know, for my short opportunities when something like that starts to happen. And I'm just going to wait for London Open to open and start to let the price develop, show what it's wanting to do. So yeah, I'm favouring shorts this week. Won't really be taking any longs until we come down and start to let demand get respected in this daily demand level. But yeah, obviously I hope everyone has a good trading week. I'll give my updates this week and what I'm seeing with EU But yeah, I hope everyone has a good trading week. Catch you in another video.